koala's secret weapon, how they digest eucalyptus. The koala is instantly recognizable, a fluffy symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. But what many people don't realize is that their very existence depends on an incredible biological feat, digesting eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are incredibly tough, fibrous, and full of toxic oils that would make most animals sick. Yet, koalas not only tolerate them, but thrive on them. Their digestive system is a marvel of evolution, featuring a specialized cecum, essentially a large pouch filled with bacteria, which breaks down the cellulose in the leaves and neutralizes those harmful compounds. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind. It's a slow process. It can take up to 2 weeks for a koala to digest a single meal. This explains why they sleep so much. Conserving energy is crucial when your food source requires such intense processing. Without this extraordinary ability, these charming creatures simply couldn't survive. Eucalyptus leaves might seem like a plentiful food source for koalas, but they're actually incredibly challenging to digest. Most animals wouldn't touch them. That's because these leaves are packed with oils and tough fibrous compounds that make them toxic or simply indigestible. These chemicals act as a natural defense mechanism for the eucalyptus tree, protecting it from being devoured by many herbivores. The sheer volume of these oils also reduces the nutritional value. Koalas get only about 20 of their energy needs directly from eucalyptus leaves, which is why they sleep so much to conserve that limited energy. The eucalyptus diet isn't just tough to digest, it's also full of toxic compounds that would harm most animals. Koalas have a remarkable solution to this problem: a specialized cecum, which is essentially an enlarged pouch within their large intestine. Inside this cecum lives a complex community of bacteria specifically adapted to break down not only the cellulose in eucalyptus leaves, which themselves are difficult to digest, but also many of these harmful toxins. It's a symbiotic relationship. The koala provides a home for the bacteria, and the bacteria provide an essential service, allowing the koala to thrive on this otherwise challenging food source. This intricate system highlights just how uniquely adapted koalas are to their environment. The eucalyptus leaves that koalas eat are incredibly tough and fibrous, packed with cellulose, a substance difficult for mammals to break down. To overcome this challenge, they rely on a remarkable process called bacterial fermentation. Think of it like a miniature compost heap happening inside their gut. Specialized bacteria work tirelessly to ferment the plant matter, essentially pre-digesting it. This isn't a quick operation, it's surprisingly slow. In fact, it can take up to 2 weeks for a single meal to be fully digested. That lengthy process is a major reason why koalas exhibit such famously low energy levels. They're constantly expending significant resources just breaking down their food. Eucalyptus leaves are incredibly fibrous and contain a wide range of toxic oils. While koalas have adapted to consume them, these oils still pose a significant challenge. A crucial component in their survival is an exceptionally large liver. This vital organ works tirelessly, acting as the primary detoxification center for those lingering compounds that escape initial digestion. It breaks down these toxins, preventing poisoning and allowing the koala to thrive on this unique diet. Without this specialized liver function, even a small meal of eucalyptus could be dangerous. It's fascinating to consider how a koala's digestive system gets started. Unlike many mammals where gut bacteria are passed down genetically, koalas don't inherit theirs. Young koalas actually acquire the crucial microbes they need to break down eucalyptus leaves from their mother in a rather unique way through coprophagy, which is essentially eating her feces. It's not as gross as it sounds. This maternal transfer provides the joey with a vital dose of bacteria that are specifically adapted to process those tough leaves and extract all the necessary nutrients. Without this initial bacterial boost, they simply won't be able to survive on their diet. It's fascinating to consider that koalas aren't just munching on any eucalyptus leaf they find. They are incredibly picky eaters, exhibiting a truly refined foraging strategy. There are over 700 different species of eucalyptus in Australia, but a koala will typically only feed on around 50 of them. Even within those preferred species, they'll select leaves with lower levels of toxins and higher nutritional value. Eucalyptus leaves contain oils that can be harmful to most animals, but koalas have evolved specialized enzymes to detoxify these compounds. Their ability to discern which leaves are safe and offer the best nourishment demonstrates a remarkable level of adaptation and intelligence. Processing eucalyptus leaves is incredibly demanding work for a koala's body. These leaves are low in nutrients and high in toxins, requiring significant energy to break down. Because of this slow digestion rate, koalas have evolved a remarkable strategy. They conserve energy whenever possible. That's why you often see them sleeping, and they sleep quite a bit. In fact, these sleepy marsupials can slumber for up to 20 hours each day. It's not laziness, it's a vital adaptation that allows them to thrive on their specialized diet. Koalas are famously picky eaters, relying almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves for sustenance. But what many people don't realize is that even within eucalyptus trees, there's a huge variety in the chemical composition of those leaves. And this is where their gut microbiome plays an absolutely critical role. Each koala hosts a unique community of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes living in their digestive system, essentially a personalized ecosystem. This microbial makeup can significantly impact how efficiently a koala can detoxify the compounds in eucalyptus that would be poisonous to most animals. Some koalas simply have gut microbiomes better suited to processing certain types of eucalyptus than others. Consequently, an individual's ability to thrive often depends on whether their specific microbiome aligns with the local eucalyptus varieties available, truly highlighting how important this internal ecosystem is for survival. The slow and specialized nature of a koala's digestion has profound implications for their survival. Eucalyptus leaves are incredibly tough to break down. They contain very little water and are full of fibrous material and toxic compounds. Koalas have evolved an incredible adaptation, a cecum, which is essentially a large pouch attached to the beginning of their intestines. This specialized organ houses unique bacteria that work tirelessly to ferment the eucalyptus leaves, breaking them down into digestible nutrients. The process can take up to 2 weeks. Because so much energy is spent on this digestion, koalas have a very low metabolic rate and are largely sedentary animals. Understanding how reliant they are on these specific gut microbes underscores the importance of maintaining healthy eucalyptus forests and minimizing exposure to toxins that could disrupt their delicate internal ecosystem. It's truly remarkable how completely their lives are shaped by this intricate process.